I recently did an interview, and a very interesting question that came up was, I am an introvert, but I want to know how I can become a great business networker. And that's everybody's question. I found that a lot of people have asked me that question, and so I'm doing a video answering this question today. So if you're an introverted person, or at least you think you are, listen to this video. So first and foremost, if you are an introvert and you want to be good at business networking, number one, you gotta get it out of your head that business networking is for extroverts. I can 100% tell you that the best networkers may not be extroverts. And why? Because in your mind you're thinking, oh, I'm an extrovert, I like to meet people, like woohoo. And this is the thing about the difference between extroverts and introverts, right? Extroverts talk a lot, yeah, and you think that they'd be more comfortable talking to a lot of people. Sometimes they talk too much. And one of the keys in networking is not talking. It's actually, listen up, listening. And the beauty about introverts is because you're not doing all that talking, guess what you're doing? You're listening. And that is why introverts can have a very powerful proposition to be a better networker, because you're doing more listening. And you know what? We have 2 ears and 1 mouth. It means 2 times more listening than actually talking. And one of the best things about networking is that you've got to listen so hard that you're listening to what people are saying to you about their business, about their personalities, about their relationships, that you can help them. And to a point, if you're a really good networker, where you can even listen to what someone is not saying. And that is the power of being a great networker, because there are 2 types of cues. You've got your verbal cues and your non-verbal cues. If you are talking all the time, as an extrovert will, blah, 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 this is about me, I do this, I do that. You're not just listening to the words people are saying to you because you're too busy talking. You're also not able to observe. And I know that introverts can be very good at observing. So if you're watching this video and you're an introvert and you're wondering, hey, I can or not become a good networker, I'll say this to you: one of the best qualities in networking is being able to listen, being able to observe. And not all the time extroverts do that well. I hope this video made a difference for you. Those of you who are introverts, get out there and do a whole bunch of networking. Those of you who are extroverts and you're watching this video, well, listen a bit more. So, to the next video, till then.